Good morning. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. How is your Tuesday treating you so far?
Morning, Sarah. It's good to see you too. Honestly, it's been a chaotic morning. I slept through my alarm, skipped breakfast, and now I'm running about 20 minutes late for work, so I am definitely in need of some serious caffeine to wake me up.
Oh no, that sounds rough. Don't worry, we'll get you fueled up and are ready to go in no time. Are we sticking to the usual order today, or do you want to switch things up?
I think I need something stronger than the usual today. Let's do a large cappuccino, but can you make that with an extra shot of espresso? I really need that kick.
Absolutely. A large triple shot cappuccino. Anything else for the milk?
Yes, actually. Can you please make sure it's almond milk? I've been trying to cut out dairy lately, and my stomach has been much happier for it. And please make it extra hot. I have a bit of a walk to the office, and I hate lukewarm coffee.
Noted. Large triple shot almond milk cappuccino, extra hot. Got it. Since you mentioned you skipped breakfast, can I interest you in something to eat? We have fresh blueberry muffins, and the savory bagels are still warm.
You know what? That sounds like a lifesaver. Let's go with an everything bagel with cream cheese, but could you put the cream cheese on the side? I like to spread it myself.
Of course, cream cheese on the side. Is that everything for you today?
Yes, that will be all.
All right, your total comes to $16.25. You can tap your card whenever you're ready.
There you go.
Perfect. Thank you. By the way, how is that project you were working on last week? The one with the tight deadline?
Oh, you remembered. It actually went surprisingly well. We submitted it on Friday evening just in the nick of time. My boss was pretty impressed, so hopefully this week will be a bit more relaxed. Well, aside from the bad start this morning.
That's great to hear. I'm sure today will get better once you have this coffee. It'll be ready at the counter in just a moment. Order for Mark. I have a large cappuccino and an everything bagel.
Thanks, Sarah. That was fast. Let me just take a quick sip to make sure it's cool enough to walk with. Wait a second.
Is everything okay?
I'm so sorry, Sarah, but I think this might be regular milk, not almond milk. It has that distinct dairy aftertaste, and I'm pretty sensitive to it. Also, it tastes a little sweet. Did you happen to put any syrup in this?
Oh my gosh, let me check the label on the cup. I am so sorry, Mark. You are absolutely right. I see whole milk and vanilla printed here. I must have grabbed the wrong sticker or mixed it up with the previous order in the rush. That is completely my fault.
It's okay. It happens. It's really busy in here. I just really can't drink the dairy.
No, please don't apologize. I feel terrible, especially since you're already running late. Let me remake this for you personally right now. Priority order. Large, triple shot, almond milk, extra hot, no sugar. Correct?
Yes, that's exactly it. Thank you for understanding.
Give me 45 seconds. Here we go. Brand new, made exactly to your specifications. I double-checked the milk carton myself. And because I made you wait, I threw in a voucher for a free drink on your next visit. It's on the house.
Wow, Sarah, you really didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it. Thank you for fixing it so quickly.
It's the least I can do. I hope the rest of your day goes much smoother than the morning.
Thanks. I think it will now. See you tomorrow.
See ya. Take care.